Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today we're doing our Friday freebie. Gonna be fun. We're gonna make this with this. This is our freebie on the website and on the Facebook group page. We've got lots of fun things to do. I know you might think, well, what in the world? It's a library pocket. So, alright, I just knocked something off. This day isn't going the greatest for me, but I'm just muddling through anyways. So we've got 2 library cards, a couple of tags, and a tall narrow tag. Yeah. So, and we've got our paper dolls and some embellishment thingies. Okay. So let me put this aside and I'll show you what I made with that. The library card is really cute. It's gusseted. It's also gusseted on the back. That's why you had those side pieces all the way down. Okay. So now you don't have to keep these. If you're just going to put it flat down, that will be fine. So it's up to you. I'm going to keep it so I can have a little bit of a gusset, although that's going to be flat to the page. So whatever you want to do with that. We've got our paper dolls, our library cards. They're super cute. We've got our tall tags, our narrow tag, our shorter tag, all just really pretty. Couple of library cards. You can stuff this so full, right? And there you go. Put our little paper dolls in there. These are the embellishment pieces. Now, use them how you wish. You can make, back these and put them in there as a little journal card. Whatever you want to do with it. It's completely up to you. This is just what I did. It's an inspiration, I guess. I don't know. It's what I think of as, well, this is what I did. And you can, use your imagination and go further, right? So I've got all my pieces cut out. This is our piece, the big piece that's on the top of the page that you kind of wonder, well, what is that? I backside printed mine with one of the pages from the Vintage Rose journal kit. And yeah, so we've got our embellishment pieces here, our little paper dolls here. I back mine on file folder, and if one wanted to, you could write a note on the back of these. I mean, you could. It's a thing. That's what we do, right? Okay, hold on a second. I've got to pick up what I dropped because I'm going to need it in a second. Okay, now I think I'm set. I think it's been one of those days. I don't know why. It just, sometimes they happen, and we go, oh, really? Okay, so I'm just going to fold these along the transition line, I guess I'll call it. It's where the flap ends. I mean, there's kind of a line there, and the image begins. And just, just fold them straight along through there. Give them a good press down. Try to get it as straight as possible, right? It should be pretty simple, okay? You've got that. Now, you decide how far up you want to fold your bottom pocket, okay? This one is probably about 2 inches. Yep. 2 inches. You can mark it. You can do whatever you want to do. I just kind of, fold. Yeah, like so. Like so. Get it straight to its edges and give it a press down. You don't have to be precise with this. I mean, it's just a, it's just a fold up. No rocket science today. Excuse me, I gotta get my scissors because I'm gonna fold it back this way now so I can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna take that little wedge out, and right here. If you're new, always cut from the score line or the fold line out. You don't mess up as easy. As easy, Okay, so these ones I'm going to fold in anyways, so that makes my gusseted pocket, right? And make sure it's straight because, you know. So it's just that simple, right? And these go behind because that's back. How simple and easy is that, right? Okay, let's do a little bit of inking before I start gluing things down because, yep, that gets difficult. I put a new thingy on here and sometimes it takes a minute to soak up the ink. Okay. Alright. We got to get all this, you know, sort of lightly inked. Yep. So I hope you guys are enjoying these Friday freebies. I'm having a load of fun, and I'm making quite a stash of things, you know, to where I can put a lot of things together. When I get that journal and I have pockets in there, I can just start putting things in there because, yeah. Because I've already got them made. So, pretty simple, huh? Okay. Now, one more thing we want to do before we glue this down, I want to put some lace across here and across here because that makes it pretty and it protects your edges. Yeah. So, we're going to do it this way. Get our handy dandy glue gun on here. And put this way. Yeah, it gives a little bit more strength to that. Yeah, I can't wait to start putting these in there. That means you're almost finished, right? When you start putting all the extra stuff that you've got made in there. Oh, it's so much fun when you, I mean, I love working on the journals, but finishing them is fun. You feel accomplished, you know? And then you're sad because you don't have it to work on anymore. Then you got to do another one, right? How pretty is that? Okay, let's get this one on. Now, like I said, I'm not putting this on anything yet. I'm just leaving those flaps there for future purposes because I'm going to put it on something. And it'll be a pocket and a pocket. These library card pockets are really simple and easy. Very, very beginner friendly, okay? Just so easy to do. Yeah, I haven't cleaned that yet. I will eventually. I get busy doing this, that, and the other thing, and that thing gets left out. Come on now. I need to clean these as well. They still work though. I've got to clean them. That's just a thing. Okay. Now we've got that and that. Let's put this down. Get my pokey thingy here. My Cricut picker. Yeah, this one's just super easy, but so pretty to do, right? And it has the papers, you know, this is a variation of what I'm using in the Vintage Rose journal kit, so that it very much goes with, you know. But if you don't have that kit, this goes with a lot of things. As long as it's a vintage look, it'll probably go. So there. Okay, give that a roll and that a roll. How easy was that to put together, huh? This time we don't have a... Now you could poke a hole. You could, and pretend it's like a tag pocket thing. I'm not doing that, but okay. So now we've got to put our tags in here. Oh, let's put our embellishments on first because, yeah. Okay, let's see here. Not the paper dolls. I think I put these... Okay, the chair's in the front, so it goes on last. these go over here like so, and then this goes over here like so, and then this goes in front of them. Yep, super easy. All of this is so easy. It's nice to have a super easy crafty time where you just put something together and it looks really nice when you're done, but it was so easy to do. It makes you feel good. It does. It makes you feel good. Now, this is just the way I'm putting them. You can put these any which way you want. They're totally changeable, outable, you know. You could use some of the other embellishments from other freebies that I've done. These Friday freebies are all very mix and matchy, and I'll tell you why. Because they go with that journal kit. And so yeah, they, you know, you can mix and match and all that. A lot of my things are mix and matchy. I like things that go, they don't exactly, they're not the same. They don't match, but they go with. It's like the papers in that kit, the vintage rose. They're very different, but they go with each other. So they, what's a good word for that? They enhance each other. They share their pretty. Okay, that's what it is. They don't match, but they very much are very go togethery. Okay. And now our comfy chair so we can sit there and read a book, right? I think it's cute. But yeah, these embellishments would go with that kit really well. All these fussy cuts, they would go with that kit. That kit's fussy cuts would go with this. It's all very go together. Go together. Okay, I want to slide this over a little bit because I want to see the books, but I want to see more of this because it's pretty. And the books are pretty, but you know what I'm saying. Okay, now we've got our comfy reading nook that we just built, and we're going to put our tags in here. There's our tall tag, our tall narrow tag, and our shorter tag, right? Then we've got our two, and I back all of these in case you're new here. I back all these on file folder because then you can write on them very easily. File folder is so easy to write on, right? I want this to be a little skewed because you want to be able to see that there's a bunch of stuff in there. Okay, now we've got our little bear lady reading her book in her chair, and then we got our little bear boy listening to her reading the book. Is that just cute? I mean, come on, guys. Super fun and easy. Super, super easy. Okay. Get this out of the way. Things get unraveled in a minute. I'm going to turn this day around and not have so many, you know, things falling everywhere. What a Murphy day. Gosh. Okay. And this is the second time I've done this video. It's, well, second time I've started this video. I'm just saying, you won't see the other one. Things went wrong. Not with making this. This was super easy. Just things went wrong, okay? We have days like that, right? Okay. Anyways, you guys go make some of these. Share them with me over in the Facebook group page so I can see what you did. There's so many things you can do. If you wanted to, you could put those embellishments up here and just plan on putting your, you know, your tag. See that? That's the reason I made the tall tag with this one. You can put things in the back and have some of the embellishments up here, but that's pretty on its own. So just saying, whatever you want to do, let me know what you did. I'm nosy. No, I'm not. I like to share, and I like to see what you guys do. So that's that. I'm not nosy, really. Just okay. Anyways, put these back in here now that I've taken them out again. All right. Okay, here we go. There you are. You guys take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.